Oh, that's sad, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I'm going place. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I
Good morning, guys. We are at Woolworths shopping for my friend's baby naming. We finally have a baby boy, so I'm going to a baby naming this evening. I'm just taking whatever I can here. Let's go together. Let's do this together. Daughter is so grown, Sana. Like the section that she's usually at on the other side, there's so much clothes, but her age and it wouldn't fit her. Then they 3-year-olds on this side now, and when I check here, it's not as colorful as the other side, and they don't have as big a variety as the other side. Even the shoes, like the only thing that I'm seeing is this. Like I can't see anything else that I can take here, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a few things for her. I didn't even know that they were running a sale, so when I was at the door and I saw the 50%, I was like, oh, nice. Now that I'm not seeing anything, it looks like the only thing I'll be buying for her is this, and I'll be buying for my friend's son because I am not seeing anything here, and she loves these. She's been saying that she wants them. Hopefully they won't go small. I was hoping I could find a size 8 so that she can wear them next year as well. But all that is here is size 6 and size 7 and size 9. Yeah, no, I don't know. Angias. Now, why is the 3-year-old section so small?
I was good on my own, that's the way it was. That's the way it was. You was good on the low for a favor. I'm so faded love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you. But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fuck your white horse and a carriage. But you never could imagine. Never say you could have it. You need me.
Morning, guys. Rise and shine. It is actually the next day, and I'm in town at the moment. So I park like upper town because I'm going to my cousin later on, which she is like on Table Mountain. I will dress there like at a place. Because I need to do my hair. I thought it would be a lot if I am gonna do my hair in town, then go back to my place, and then come back to town, and then go to the water. It's gonna be an up and down because I asked it to be my +1, so it just makes sense that I just come to town, do my hair here in town, like downtown, and then once I'm done, I go to her place. So that we can get ready and shoot some content. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Gonna shoot some content, do some nice girly stuff before going where? Before going to the event. The event essentially starts at 6 o'clock, and I want us to be there like at 5:30 or something like that, because events like that usually they're gonna, like, it's an official opening, so I don't want to be late. I just want to be there like exactly on time so that I can film and I can do everything and I can see everything that's happening, So yeah, that is it, guys. That's the plan for the day. So let's carry on. Let's go and do my hair and do my nails. I hope like I'll be done in like 3 hours, because I don't want to take a long time and then it ends up like dragging. Hopefully not. But yeah, guys, I just thought, let me update you. I went to the naming yesterday for my friend's child, and it's so beautiful. It's so cute.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking and the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That like, ease out.
Hey guys, it's actually the next day and I wanted to show you like the goodie bag that I got. The hairstyle was so nice for the event, like it was giving. This wig is that type of wig where you just want to wear it like for a day, like in terms of the curls, because it's that type of wig that tangles. I got it as a collaboration, but you know what, for that specific hairstyle that I had yesterday, it was perfect for that. So yeah, that's why I chose to go with this wig. Guys, a Beauty Basic, the salon that I was at, they're running a special. It's a 5 500 Rand special for both nails and also hair. When you get there, if you're going there, just let them know that you got the special from me. It's 500 Rand for both nails and also your hair. With nails, okay, you won't go like it's the normal length of nails, like I think till, I'm not sure, like the normal length, man, of nails, not like the long nails and those long exaggerated art and stuff like that. Yeah, no, not that type of vibe. They are the best. You'll love them. The thing that I enjoy about that salon is that you can do your hair, nails, lashes, like everything, literally everything. You can wax, you can do your makeup, anything like that you can do. But I just go there for specific things, so for my hair and also nails, yeah, because I do my own lashes, I do my own makeup, so that's the only thing roughly that I need from them. I know that you guys usually go to places that I recommend. People usually say that, like the owners, so go there, you'll try it for yourself. Like what I enjoy most about them is that if you're in a rush, you can do, someone will do your hair, someone will, like, they'll do it at the same time. They'll do your hair, your nails, your makeup. I'm not sure if you remember when I was complaining about the YSL beauty event. It's the same organizers, and I sent them an email complaining, but guys, what's this goodie bag? So I think they improved this time because of the feedback. They actually did say, but yeah, my feedback was, yeah, top tier. Anyway, I just wanted to show you. It's only like one thing that's in here, but it's worth it in my opinion. Ladies had their own option of perfume, so it was this one early, and then the gentleman had another one, like only a specific perfume for both male and female. But yeah, I hope you get what I'm saying. Yeah, this is not usually what I would like normally go for, but you know what, let's try. You guys know that I usually lean towards like male or masculine perfumes, but you know what, we'll try this one. The man one that they were giving out was not to my liking. Like it was sort of like, you know, like those, or like, I don't know, man, I don't know how to explain this. It's like it's a fresh smell, but it's a fresh smell that smells like armpit to me. No offense, I don't know, guys, it just smells like that to me. I don't know why. This is mine over here, so yeah, this is it. What's the name of it? It says The Scent. I'm not sure if it's the name of it. Yeah, it should be though. This is the 50 ml. I'm not quite sure how much it's currently going for, like in store. But yeah, guys, this is it. Not something that I would usually go for. You know what? We'll try it. Yes, it is The Scent because it's also written over here. They also did personalize it. I'm not sure if you can see it. So it does say Zianda over there. Hopefully you can. Let's try it. Oh, it's really nice though. Like, it's really nice. My daughter tried it. She likes perfume because of me. So I sort of like perceived the smell from her, and I was like, oh, it actually does smell nice. It's beautiful. I think I'll wear this. Yeah, it's okay. I'll wait for it to settle. I'll let it settle so that I see how I feel about it like throughout the day. Guys, that is it from me for this vlog. I think whenever I have events, we'll go together, maybe like get ready with me's and that type of vibe. Comment down below actually, what type of vlogs do you want? Do you like, comment, let me know what you think. Yeah, I know you guys like vlogs, it's just that I'm not committed to vlogs, but maybe we can negotiate, you know. Comment down below. I love you so much. If you've reached this point, you're definitely a star, my darling. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also share. Like, share, comment, okay, so that we keep on doing videos like these. Otherwise, guys, it is peace from me. I hope you're having a great week, productive week, and an awesome time, man. Yeah, see you in my next upload. Bye.
Oh, that's fine, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want